Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, that's who I am, and if you're not, welcome back. Today is day 6 of Craft for the Curve, which is a 15-day craft challenge that me and 4 other YouTubers are doing, and we have some amazing sponsors doing a really awesome giveaway. So, I was actually going to hold off on this craft for a later time because it's that awesome of a tutorial, but the tutorial I was gonna do today did not work out, crafting problems, so I decided to bring out the big guns today and show you guys something I've had up my sleeves for a hot minute, but it's a really awesome tutorial, and I'm so excited, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be revolutionary in the cup world. Now, if you guys were with me yesterday, I made this tutorial. I didn't make this. I made this sweater. Is this a sweater? This is a crew neck hoodie that I got at the thrift store. But I used our rainbow SVG available to our members. Now, this new craft also comes with an SVG that I tried and designed and made sure it was perfect so that it fit this craft. So this SVG is actually available to our crafting members, and you guys can get it right now on the membership. So check that out if you're interested in doing this project, because you're gonna be, because it's pretty awesome. All right, guys, are you ready for this? I promised you guys I'd be coming out with cool things that you can do with our patterned HTV and patterned vinyl, but this one is a patterned HTV project. We have over 250 patterns of HTV and vinyl on shopauntietay.com, and if you're a member, you get 20% off always. So today we are making these super duper cute Starbucks cover koozies. What are these called? Starbucks koozies. They are made out of felt so that they keep your drinks warm or cold. I guess you put cold drinks in these cups. But the best part about them is they are very easily interchangeable. So instead of DIYing your cup, you can now DIY your koozie. So in this video, I'm gonna just show you guys the fall one that I made. I had some leaves left over, so I probably will do some more tutorials on this craft, but basically watch the tutorial because it's super easy. All you do is cut this out of any HTV. This one I used glitter HTV. This is all glitter HTV and just a sheet of felt. And so you can store these away for another day. You can redecorate your cups as you go. You can change them out. And so these are actually the 3 patterns that came in the mystery box. So if you got the mystery box, you are actually able to do all 3 of these cups if you want to. And I had enough left over to be able to make some other crafts that I'll be showing you guys later. But super fun, super easy. This is one of my favorite patterns. It's got like these airplanes and these cute little cameras and these watercolor flowers, and they're so cute. But let me just show you how this works. They just, oh, and I even have some Tinkerbell on this cup, but they just slide on and off, and they're interchangeable. Then you can DIY up your lids if you want, but super fun, super cool. And then they're even like cushy so that when you're holding your cup, you know, if it's iced, it's not gonna make your hand cold. So let's get going on how to make these koozies. All right, so we're gonna go over to Auntietay.com and click on SVGs and cut files, and then go down to sewing patterns and templates. And this is a members only page, so enjoy the sneak peek, but we're going to click the Starbucks koozies and it will just download right into your downloads, but it will be a zipped file, so you need to unzip it by either right-clicking, unzip, or I usually just double-click. Now we're gonna go over to Design Space, or you can do Silhouette Studio because these will work either way. Upload our image, browse. I'm going to type in Koozy, C-O-O-Z-Y, that's what the file is called, and then I'm just going to upload it. Now the most important part is sizing this exactly to the size that I figured out, which is the width is 11.609, and then press enter, and then you're good to go. You don't need to change anything else, and it will be ready to go to fit your Starbucks cups. And then we're just going to cut it out of any material, patterned HTV, glitter HTV, and then just heat it up and press it onto a piece of felt. Then I cut around the outside of it You can cut a piece of felt as well with your Cricut. I just found it to be the easiest to do it by hand because it was super fast and I didn't have to change the settings or anything, so it made it really easy. I also left just a little 1/2 inch rim on one side so that I could hot glue it, and I love using felt and hot glue because it's such a good, secure way to put felt together because it is so porous and stringy that it just really holds together. So I just butted those up together and made it into a circle. And then I am going to take some other things and decorate them. So I've done things with leaves. I've used some words on some of them. But if you guys want to see more, let me know and I will definitely do more of these because I am completely obsessed with them. I'm also going to be doing some different tops. So if you want to see that, let me know in the comments below.